Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a flawless makeup base for your makeup looks. So if you want to know how I created this, then keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to take this Face Shop serum, which is the Calendula serum. It is like a very hydrating serum. I am patting it and massaging it all over my face so that it has a hydrating base. For my serum, I'm using the Nykaa essential oils. I love using essential oils as my serums. I just see them as a really great advantage when it comes to my makeup base. I feel like it is way more dewy looking when you use essential oil. Now I'm using this pH phenomenal gel from Pixie. This is a moisturizer. I'm not using a lot of it, just a little bit of it, and that is my base complete. For my lips, I am going to be using the Vaseline lip balm, and that's the last step of my skincare routine. Having a perfect skincare base is really important for the perfect makeup base. So now, as you can see, my skin is glowing. I'm going to prime it with the Max Prep and Prime. I'm just spraying it all over my face. I have the matte version, and for the foundation I like to switch it between two. Today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me one. I'm just dotting it all over my face just like how I like, and just patting it with the help of a damp beauty blender. And make sure to also blend your eyes, near your eyes, your dark circles, all of them, and do not forget your neck. That is really important, otherwise the discoloration will be visible a lot. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just blending it. Do not forget your eyes. I just make sure to go really into my eyes, in the corner of my eyes, for the perfect application. Now for the concealer, I'm using a mixture of the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer and the Makeup Revolution Concealer. The LA Girl one is a liquid concealer, and the Makeup Revolution one is a cream base, like a little more heavier in texture. So I'm just using both of it and applying it into my inner corners of my eyes and blending it really well with the beauty blender. For my powder, this is really important. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Now I've seen that loose powders are really beneficial than the compact powders. As you can see over here, the difference is phenomenal. I have seen a great difference when it comes to using loose powders other than the compact powders. My skin looks really blended, you can say, and like very airbrushed. So I'm using this powder all over my face, making sure that it is blended really well, and with the help of a damn beauty blender, my skin just looks perfect. And as you can see, my makeup is completed. This is how the makeup looks on me. I really love the outcome of this. The base looks snatched and perfect, and this is what I would do on a regular basis in order to have a perfect looking skin. So yeah, that was the video on how to get flawless makeup coverage. If you have liked this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.